Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So this is take two on the Roundhill second weekly dividend announcement. So oddly enough, the website is not updated, but I actually got these via email this morning. So I'll just pull up the email that they have to show you guys what the dividends are. They sent me an email at like 7 o'clock this morning. So we'll just pull that up instead. Because I tried to do this the first take, and the website, come to find out, wasn't updated. So instead of fumbling around, I just decided to do another one. Okay, so here we go. And of course, we probably can't see this. I need to zoom in. Okay, I'm trying to open the email in a new tab. Okay, anyway, shoot, I can't even read it. It's this is so annoying. Let me see if I can pull up the image here. So in the XDTE, it's actually 13 cents, and in the Nasdaq 100, the uh, the QDTE, it's 33.18 cents, which is way better than what I had projected. And a lot of us were thinking that based on the trading days, that because there was fewer trading days, that it was going to be lower. But actually, it's exceeded our expectations. So that is awesome. Let me see something here. Let me zoom in on this so you guys can actually see it. I didn't expect such a simple thing to be such a challenge this morning. Okay, here it is for you guys to see. Yeah, 13 cents here and 33 cents here. So like I'm saying, way bigger than what we thought. Greetings again. Yeah, I'm doing the same take two of the video. Welcome again. Oh, we lost Richard. He was first or he was second last time. Yeah, so that is the dividend. Let's go into the spreadsheet now and check it out. Do some analysis. We'll do some annualized projections. So that's annoying that it's not on the site. Let me actually, I'll show the site so you all know I'm not tripping here. So the site doesn't even have it updated. Usually, like with Yield Max, it's updated like the same day or as soon as they announce it. So if you look on the site here, it's not even here for either one. That's what was throwing me off. I was going to say, watch it be here now. Yeah, see, for distribution, it's not even here for either one. This one's the S&P one, the XDTE. Let's look at the QDTE. We'll scroll down. Yeah, see, even the calendar's not here for this one. So anyway, next thing I want to do is some spreadsheet analysis real quick. So I'll pull this up as soon as I get all zoomed in here. Okay, so yeah, I mean, these definitely exceeded my expectations for what I thought they were going to be. You got it from the email? Yeah, I think we all did. And I'm covering it now in case you didn't read your emails. Okay, so in the spreadsheet here, now I got to pull the email up on another window so I can do this. So annoying that they didn't update this on the site. All right, now I got to do the same thing over here. Okay, so XDTE. So here's what we're going to do. Instead of the projections, since we now have actual numbers, I'll just put the actual numbers over what the projections were. So we've got 0.128716, which is funny. That's what I projected the other one to be. So how much higher was this? So this was actually double what I projected. This one was actually 3 times what I projected. So that's very interesting. This could exceed our expectations, folks. Okay, let me put this in terms of currency. Okay, and all the other figures should plug in for us here. So times 52, we're looking at annualized $6.70 for XDTE, 17.26 cents for QDTE. Based on the share price here, The annual yield now would be almost 13% for XDTE and almost 38% for QDTE. So this didn't change too much, actually. I mean, this is almost 8% lower for XDTE, but for QDTE, it's only like just over 3% lower. And here's the projections again with $100,000 invested. You would have 1,886 shares here, 2178 over here. Weekly dividends would be 243 over here, 723 over here, and that would annualize out at almost 13,000 over here and almost 38,000 over here. So that these could almost be like a full-time income depending on what you need for income, which is pretty cool. So let me do this here. Let me just double check the share price because I think this updated. Obviously, we had a trading day yesterday, and obviously we're trading today live. So I think that maybe we've already had the X dividend at this point, or we're just way down because XDTE is actually down to 52.28. Let me add this to my watch list here. And the other one, XDTE, or excuse me, that's the one we just looked at. QDTE is down to 45.47. Okay, so in actuality, yeah, 13% and 38%. That's almost exactly what we said, right? Yeah, a little bit higher. So there we go. So not too much change, but that's not too shabby. That would be annualized income here with this amount of shares at the current dividend rate. We'd have slightly more shares because the fund dropped. But yeah, ballparkish, that's what we would be looking at for income and stuff like that. So, well, there we go. That was a pretty easy one. $1.32 a month. Oh, actually, that's another thing we can do. Good suggestion there. Trading halted on Alti. Interesting, and it's not even April Fool's Day. But the NAV eroded a bit. I don't know if that's just NAV erosion or if that was like the ex-dividend date. 143 monthly payout minus share price depreciation, which I expect to be around 1% a month. Let's go to the website real quick again and look. Give me just a second here. This is a first. This is the first time I've had a dividend fund that I was going to cover that didn't actually post the dividends on the site the day of. I'm sure they will. I'm sure they're just behind. It's still early, right? Okay. Let's look over here. XDTE. Actually, yeah, the X date's tomorrow. That's what I just wanted to confirm. So that is legit down today. It's, I guess you could say, legit NAV erosion. It's not the X dividend date. Okay, one more thing, as some commenters pointed out over here. Let's, instead of annualizing it, let's do it monthly. So I'll add another column over here. Monthly. So for the first week, it would be this times, actually, there's about 4.333 weeks in a month, believe it or not. Trust me on that, coach's math. And then for these, same deal. So yeah, you were spot on, Mr. Ollinger, $1.44 a month and about 56 cents a month for the other one. Coach's math verifies it, right? Okay, so good one, you all. Good dividend day. Thank you all for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you all on the next one. We got one more comment we'll read. They are paying out more than they're making in profits. The NAV is going to get battered. Looks like it for sure. All right, you all. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. We will see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.